This story was written by Miss Castellanos' class, and it's called The Maxi Experiment.
Oh, hi! I'm Maxi the Werecat, and I live in Computer Kingdom! I wasn't always a werecat. Let me show you what happened.
Previously on The Maxi Experiment.
I'm going to do a science experiment.
From this day forward, Maxi would always become a werecat at night and try to go to La Feria de la Jungla. Back to our story.
So I love being a smart scientist, and I love being a werecat. But I just want to be one thing. An animal who is a knowledgeable genius that can talk so I can help people. Hey computer, how do I become an animal who's a knowledgeable genius that can talk so I can help people?
Processing. Ding! I have the answer. It takes time, and you need a few science supplies. 1, a hammer. 2, potions. And 3, a magnifying glass.
How am I gonna pay for all that?
Why don't you get the money for these supplies by working at a pizza place?
That's a great idea.
Beep boop beep beep boop boop boop. Ring 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 ring.
Thanks for calling Pizza Jabroni. This is Tony. How can I help you?
Are you hiring?
Hey, perfect timing. One of our delivery drivers just quit. Can you start immediately?
Yeah, I'll be right over.
Hey!
Pizza montage! 3, 2, 1, let's go! Grab that dough, now let it go, Not like that, Watch Tony's throw, There you go, Get it spinning, Looking nice, That's pizza winning, Grab some toppings, the normal ones, like ice cream and popcorn and hot sauce. We're having fun, this pizza's looking great, feeling happy, let the love in. Now grab your oven, it's time to put it in the oven. Wait. Let's go. Pull that beauty out, it's a tasty barrage, cause we made it with our friends through this pizza montage.
That's some hard work.
Hey, I appreciate you're a real quick learner. Hey, you say you're trying to get some supplies for a science experiment thing? You know how much it's all gonna cost?
Can I hack your computer to find out?
Certainly.
Computer, how many people and how many pizzas are there? And how much will my science supplies cost?
It will cost $100 and take 3 months. That sounds reasonable. Hey, I don't want to be a nosy Nelly, but do you know where you're going to find all those supplies?
Can I hack your computer again?
It'd be weird if you didn't.
Computer, where are those science supplies I need?
There is only one place that makes the supplies you need, and it's all the way on the other side of the world.
OMG! I'm so far away! Come on!
To be continued.